Hi, my name is Kirk. I'm the warranty manager here in Monroe, North Carolina, and I would just like to tell you why I like working for America's Home Place. I work closely with the project managers as well as the general manager. You know, I don't have a background as a builder or a project manager, and I've never one time had a project manager or anybody here tell me, hey, I don't have time for you, I can't help you right now. They try to make time, they try to answer the questions, and that's really what it's all about. Everybody helping everybody to get to the point that we need to be at, which is getting the customer in their house and they're happy with their house. It's just a stressless environment. I really like that. When I come into work, I'm not stressed out. When I go home, I'm not stressed out. And I thoroughly enjoy working here. I look forward to it. Like I said, my name's Kirk. I'm the warranty manager in Monroe, North Carolina. Thank you for your time.